Space Animal City. Competition rules. Space Animal City. 1. Collaborative task-based competition. 2. Each team has 1 to 2 members. The competition field is 216 centimeters times 120 centimeters in size. A white dashed line divides the field into 2 parts. Each part has a robot base of 25 times 25 centimeters in size. There are a few black guiding lines and areas to run tasks on the field. 1. Before your robot departs from the base, its length, width, and height cannot exceed 25 centimeters. 2. After the departure, some parts of the robot may be unfolded. Each round lasts for 180 seconds. For task structures are set, food collecting site, sightseeing site, animal classifying site, and animal feeding site. If a robot departs from the base, you get 50 points. For each cube, food, that your robot brings to your base, you get 10 points. Move cubes from the base. Move cubes to the animal feeding site. For each moving through robots, you get 15 points. For each manually moved cube, you get 5 points. Field has 4 areas for animal categories: mammals, reptiles, birds, and fish. There are 16 EVA cubes in the field. Each represents an animal. If your robot puts an EVA cube into the right category, you get 5 points. Each time your robot checks in at a sightseeing site, you get 15 points. There are 4 sightseeing sites in total. If your robot returns to your base before time is up, you get 20 points. 1. If time is up or you give a stop signal, the referee calculates your points. 2. All teams are ranked by point total. If 2 teams are tied, the team that uses less time ranks higher.